Welcome or welcome back to Starting from Scratch. I guess I should be like saying that to myself because it's been forever since I've made a video. But anyways, we're getting real classy today and we're going to try to make some chicken cordon bleu. Except this is a really easy recipe and we're making inside out chicken cordon bleu because I'm not that fancy. So yeah, this should be kind of easy maybe, but hopefully really good. So let's get started. So the basis of this recipe is chicken wrapped in ham, there's some cheese, and some sauce on the inside. The very first ingredient is fig jam, and that is something that I do not have. I couldn't find it at the grocery store, so I'm going with apricot jam, and hopefully that works. And we need 3 tablespoons of that. Starting off strong with the wrong ingredients, but second ingredient is thyme, and we just want to have a half teaspoon of that chopped up. Okay, we got a little sprig here, and I'm just gonna cut this up, even though it's pretty fine already. Couple little chops, and then we'll measure it and we'll throw it in there. It actually hasn't been that nice in Seattle recently, and it's been giving me some like seasonal affective disorder, and I just don't want to do anything, but today was really nice. So I'm back, people, I'm back. This is 1 teaspoon. I need half, but I don't have a half, so let's just, there we go. Good enough. Next, we're gonna add salt and pepper, and it just says salt and pepper to taste. So we'll just grind it out. Next is chicken. What we want to do is take our saran wrap and place it on the cutting board. Then put our chicken on. Sure, we'll just do 2 because my cutting board is small. Okay, take half of the mixture and put that on top of the chicken. So I made enough jam for 4 pieces of chicken, but that seems dumb to do because I'm one human. So we'll wing it. Oh, I guess I'm still just gonna use half because I don't know how to live a normal life. The next thing we need is Gruyere cheese. So we have 1 cup of Gruyere cheese. I just reread the directions and I guess I only needed half a cup because we're only making 2 pieces of chicken and we need 1/4 per chicken. So I really just need a half cup, but maybe we'll just do a little extra cheese. That's a lot of cheese and I still got some extra, so maybe I should learn how to follow directions. So now to get fancy, we're gonna take some ham, thin sliced ham, and we're gonna wrap that around the chicken. Now these little slices of ham are kind of tiny for my piece of chicken. So we may need to try, oh God. I was supposed to wrap this around the chicken. And it is like the size of the chicken. So we're just gonna use a lot of ham. It's going great over here. So I think what I'm gonna do, the next step is to put another piece of plastic wrap on top and pound it so it's flatter. So I think, I don't know the best way to do this, like this, and then maybe we'll put ham on the bottom. Let's try that. What could go wrong? Okay, this looks great. We're doing amazing. I don't have fancy equipment, so I'm just gonna use this. It's just, you know, cheese everywhere, the ham splitting, like... Beautiful. Now we need to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan. I refuse to use this burner because we almost had a fire last time. And now there's smoke coming from this one, so this is already just freaking amazing. Let's use this one. So 2 tablespoons, 1, 2, sure. All right, so this is hot. These beauties, and put them in the oil. So easy. So cook them on one side for 4 minutes, the other side for 4 minutes. And while that's cooking, we need to make the sauce, the rest of the sauce that goes on top, which is part this jam that we made before, and part Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, and shallots. Apparently I don't have Dijon mustard, so I'm not gonna add that. This is going great. I honestly don't really like the flavor of Dijon mustard anyways, so I'm not really mad about it. And hopefully it still tastes okay. These can probably get flipped over now. We have one that's looking pretty good. We have one that looks not so great. So we need 2 tablespoons of the white wine vinegar, minced shallot coming along beautifully. Throw her in here. We need to whisk all this together. So that looks so delicious. Not really. Doesn't smell good either. Probably because it doesn't have the mustard, but it says to put this on top after you take off the chicken, but I kind of really feel like it needs to be cooked a little bit. So I'm gonna make an executive decision because, you know, Chef Ellie over here just whipping up stuff out of nowhere. But yeah, I can't eat that just raw. It does not look or smell appetizing. And because we didn't put the mustard, I think it's for the best, okay? It's for the best. Okay, it's time to plate it up. They're as good as they're gonna get. And by that, I mean they're ugly. And I don't think I did any of this right. I'll take this ugly one. I wanna make sure it's cooked. I wanna make sure it's cooked. I wanna make sure it's cooked. In the middle, raw. So let's just try to continue to cook them. It always makes me really nervous when they say to cook chicken for like 3 or 4 minutes because how does it cook? It doesn't cook. My white wine vinegar that I wasn't supposed to cook is burning because I wasn't supposed to cook it. So the good thing is it's chicken, ham, and cheese. So like, could it really be bad after I cook the chicken thoroughly? I'm not sure. Hopefully it still tastes okay, but. Okay, our baby chicken is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one. I mean, looking good is, honestly not terrible. It's definitely burnt. I'm gonna add some cheese and not enjoy this. It wasn't good. Not gonna lie. Tastes about as good as it looks. Well, that was a fail, and time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!